This could be good for me.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick one. I want to show you something real quick. You know, if you're braiding your wig or you want to refer the tips of your braided wig by dipping inside hot water like they normally do, you know, and you're hoping for, you know, an amazing, you know, tips popping out, you know, and you end up with this rumpled tips. Guys, this is painful, guys. So today I'll be showing you what you did wrong. So by watching this video, you'll be able to correct your mistakes. So let's go.
Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose, but when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days searching for your praise, but is it even there to find? Chance for me to learn your memories. Will I slowly lose my mind? 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 Will I slowly lose my mind?
My lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after